Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Saher. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle, travel, and much more. This is my first sit down video after 20 days, so I'm feeling a little awkward and out of place, but we will get a hang of it. This is my first video in the year 2022, and I want to wish you guys a very happy new year. I thought the first video should be on something that I'm really passionate about, that is beauty and makeup. So I did this beautiful everyday makeup kind of a look for you guys, and if you like such videos then please do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and yes, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like from me, and if you have any feedback, suggestions, do let me know as well. So let's get started. But before we get started, I would like to tell you all of the products that I have used are affordable products. I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can check them out, and in case you want to purchase them, you can do that, and let me know if you do purchase them. Also follow me on Instagram. I make a lot of videos over there. I post a lot of photos there, so you can be my family there as well. So yes, now let's get started.